The power of a small decision. A young girl named Emma lived in a small town with her parents. She was hardworking, but she was afraid of making decisions. Every morning, Emma wanted to learn something new, but she spent hours watching videos on her phone. At the end of the day, she felt disappointed. One Monday morning, Emma looked in the mirror and said, I don't want to live like this anymore. She decided to learn English for just 20 minutes every day. The next day, Emma studied for 20 minutes. The day after that, she did it again. Even when she felt lazy, she remembered her decision. After 1 month, Emma noticed something interesting. She could understand simple English sentences more easily. She felt happy and more confident. After 3 months, Emma could understand English videos. She also became confident enough to speak simple English with her friends. One day, Emma found an online course about digital skills. At first, she thought, maybe I can't do this. Then she remembered her first small decision. Emma joined the course. It was difficult in the beginning and she made many mistakes, but she continued learning a little every day. Emma learned useful digital skills. She started helping a local shop with social media. Soon, she began earning a little money from her work. Emma realized that her life had not changed because of one huge opportunity. It changed because of small decisions repeated every day. 20 minutes of English made her confident. Learning new skill opened a new opportunity. Saying, I will try, changed the way she looked at life. Emma stopped asking, can I change my whole life today? Instead, she asked, what small step can I take today? Small decisions, when repeated every day, can create big changes in our lives. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start with one small step today.